This is some arugula pods that I cut off my arugula plants after I let it go to seed. I've had them drying in my herb dryer, mesh herb dryer, for a couple weeks, and I'm just have them wrapped up in this coffee filter to try to make sure we don't lose any of the seeds because they're very tiny. So I'm just going to try and collect as many as I can right now. You can see that there's some little black ones here already. So each little pod has a little packet of seeds in them. Bring one closer to the camera. It's kind of brown. Not sure if they're not dark colored, if that means they're not quite dried out enough, but we'll take a bit of each. You can see in the pod there's a bunch of little tiny seeds. I'm going to be growing arugula indoors this winter, so I want to get some seed as soon as I can here. So the growing method I'm going to be using indoors this winter is called the Kratky hydroponics method, and this is a method using water as your medium to grow in. There's no soil involved, and I will be making a series of videos for the different types of things I plan to grow this winter, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those. So I think this is going to be enough seeds to get me going, growing some of my arugula. So I'm just going to use this small colander. I think that'll work good for sifting the seeds through and sifting out all the pods and extra pieces. So if you still have some arugula plants out in your garden, it's not too late to go and cut the tops off if they've gone to seed, and make sure they're good and dry, and just pop them open and collect the seeds, either for winter growing or saving up for next year's garden.